Hello. Good morning, everybody. Shorty Gamer, glad he's back after such a long hiatus. Yeah. Uh, well, I recorded a couple things yesterday, but I never ended up editing. Anyways, I lost both trades, of course, yesterday. And really just learned that, well, for one, streaming is not the issue. In fact, it actually helps me a lot. I do much better when streaming. Helps me to be disciplined. Uh, Literally all I could think about yesterday when I was trading was like, what if I just bought here and then held? How much money could I make? I could not focus. And yeah, that's all right. You know, I thought a problem was one thing. It clearly wasn't. But I've done a bunch of work on ATR and the time frame and realized some important things. So I've been spoiled with ATR lately and volatility. It just has been like perfect for me, the way I like to trade, so I haven't had to do anything. And right now, well, I switched to a 4-point profit target, a 4-point stop loss. And we've got a 30-second chart here. I also scrunched up ATR to be perfect so that this is sort of the ideal range. So if ATR is below this, then that's a bad sign. And if it's above it, then that means it's really high. Any particular reason you don't use volume? Yeah, because I mean anyone can use whatever they want, but like volume is the same every day. It's higher in the morning and it drops off and then it picks a little bit back up at the end. It's gonna have a big initial spike, go down a little bit, then go up most likely as we go through a low or high of day. It's volume is an indicator. You can use it for volatility if you have like memorized what's typical, what's low, what's high. Sort of the same as ATR. For me, I think just ATR makes it more simple, makes it more, is a more accurate and quantitative way to define volatility because it's literally just the exact size of each candle. Hey, Dylan. Volume is definitely prettier to look at. I did used to use it for when I did the opening range break. I paid attention to it a little bit, but of course back then I didn't understand all the things I understand now. You know, about indicators and variables that don't actually have consistent predictive power on their own, of course. All right, I'm going to take a look at my notes. A new note page. And then we'll look to get started at 9:33. Going to be really focusing on making sure that the time frame is good and volatility is good. Part of the reason I'm going higher is because just false signals on the lower time frames and not, I don't know. It's really hard to explain. It's not false signals. It's just the way I like to trade. On the 20-second chart, it was like the trades I was going for were going for structural changes rather than just the moves in between. And so because of that, I'm going to a higher time frame to sort of cut out any semblance, is that even a word, of structure. What is it doing right now? Seems so slow. Alright, let's pick him back up. That was weird. Just didn't do anything. I like this new setup with ATR. This is the range I like. So ideally, ATR will be in this one. Oh yeah, another thing with increasing the time frame, increase, decreasing, it's an artificial way to change volatility. So if you like volatility at a specific, in a specific range of the size of candles, then you can increase or decrease time frames to match that. I have 2 chairs now. The other chair has my cat in it. She's watching. My business partner. I'm in the business chair though. The new one. The fancy one. That I don't actually like that much, that I immediately stop using after trading. Even though it's objectively a better chair. It's just apparently I adjust my sitting position like every 5 minutes, and it's harder to do with this chair because of the position of the armrests. Alright. Got sort of a tight range on the open. Makes it kind of hard to only trade in the middle. Although I did just remember that we're doing 4 points instead of 5 points, so that makes it much better. Yeah, I'm liking this. Good stuff. I'm gonna hold off for a sec. Seems like it wants to push through the low of day. Mm-hmm. Ah. Now we go. Okay. How we looking? Interesting. You know, after all this momentum up, it's been an insane couple weeks for the market, really. Wouldn't be surprised if today's just not a whole lot of movement. Rangy. But, you know, could literally do anything. That trade might have been a bit impulsive. I need to stop doing that. Just take a trade without even thinking. But the 4 points did look good. So I'm happy with that. So I might still be an idiot, but At least we're on the right track. Don't know why I took this trade. The high probability loss in consolidation is timing breaks. And what is this? That's trying to time some change. That is the high probability loss. And I still did it. But you know, that's it's a frustrating mistake to make because it's like so obviously against even the most basic rules. But I guess I'm not really bothered because I'm happy that these little changes that I've made have fixed the fundamental problem. That doesn't mean it'll stop me from being dumb or making mistakes, but at least it's a step in the right direction. Tempted to just buy there. But not going to. Whoa. Thank you, Trading Pennies. I really appreciate that. That's the first time anyone's ever donated. Thank you so much. It's really kind of you. Whoa, look, we even got a cool... Thank you. Wow. You're awesome. Thanks for doing that. It's really nice of you. Alright, I'm gonna win a trade for you. For you! Seems like it's speeding up a little bit. Thank you, seriously. Alright. Well, I know I keep talking about it, but this trade was literally just so dumb that I'm not even bothered by it. Which I guess is that's new. Do something so stupid it doesn't even bother you because it's just... I keep doing that too. Like, I wasn't even thinking at all. I don't even think I was looking at the charts. I just like looked over, moved the chart, and just hit the button. Oh my god. You know why? Oh, I can tell you why. Because I forgot to start my bells. My 3-minute reminders. Where I look at the charts after the bell goes off. Why am I so dumb sometimes, you know? Tough being me. Tough life. Okay, but I am feeling real good. 4 point. I'm liking it a lot. Tempted to buy right now. 34. Target 38. Stop loss 30. Just because it's... I mean, it just keeps doing the same thing. But really don't want to be trading when it's like this. I guess it would have worked. Long again. Target 40. See, but I don't really like 40 because... Alright, never mind. It would have hit. Kind of goofy. A little goofy. Every little push up so far has just been immediately rejected. I guess not immediately, but some dude is speaking at 9:45, but I don't know why it would actually affect anything because he's not talking about anything significant, right? Fed something. Not Powell. Goonley? Goolsby. FOMC member Goolsby speaks. Oh, that was close. Tempted to go long there. But it just keeps getting rejected pretty hard. It tries to make anything new. Any type of new high, even just slightly recent. Ooh, but I like that. It looks good long now. So why didn't you take a trade? Idiot. Maybe that was Goolsby. Grimble. Gimli. Gooby. What's he yapping about? Tell everybody to start buying. Grubel yapping. Thanks, Grubel. Why is it so far away? Come closer. Alright. I don't like that. Don't like it. Don't care. Alright, it would have worked. Of course. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why didn't it hit that? Alright, whatever. We'll end it there. Okay. Shout out to Trading Pennies. That one's on you. You made me do good for giving me money. I'm just kidding. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. It's really kind of you. Okay, so I missed out on a few points for not moving. What? Hold on. We missed out on a few points for moving. What am I talking about? Okay. First of all, broke my... I literally just cannot talk right now. Why did I move my profit target? Shouldn't have done that. Missed out on some points there because of that. But confidence restored. It's really good trading, except for the first trade that was just so dumb that it's not even worth talking about. It just makes no sense. Not even worth talking about. But this, beautiful. I could probably keep trading, but I think I just need to end on a... I mean, I could certainly keep trading. Price action is still good. But I would like to end on a good note, because I've just been doing so bad. And made some big important changes. A new reminder list stuff. Go to a higher time frame. And now it's great. Doesn't mean I'm going to be a millionaire in a few weeks, but it does mean we've taken a great step in the right direction. So I'm happy. Oh, wait. Yeah. So without that trade, without moving that profit target, so funny. Anytime I move my stop loss, that's when I shouldn't have moved it. And when I do move it, it's when I shouldn't. Wait, when I do move it, it's when I shouldn't. When I don't move it, it's when I should. I don't move it, and then I'm like, you should trust your instincts when a trade is bad. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Seima. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Hold on, I'm gonna wait so it shows up in the recording. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Why is it not showing up? Say my name, say my name. Come on. Show up. I'll just thank you again. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Really, I mean, that's incredibly generous. I know everybody, streamers and stuff, they're like, thank you. Blah, 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 blah. But seriously, thank you. There it is. Thank you so much, Seima. And thank you to Trading Pennies as well. You guys are very, very generous. Done with trading. Done with the trading day. Glad you're back. You're more help learning this than I think you know. Oh, gotcha. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, we're all learning together, We're all in the same boat. And we'll get to our destiny eventually, but the seas are going to be very, very choppy on the way there. So thank you everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm feeling good. I'm glad we did good today. Really, really like the 4-point target and the higher time frame. And of course the new reminders list. And then this first trade only happened because I forgot to turn my bell on, which reminds me not to be stupid. Literally look at a document that snaps me back into focus mode. That's everybody brings their own strengths and limitations to trading. I guess strengths and weaknesses. My weaknesses are really inconvenient for trading. Alright. Don't really like the weekend. Market is closed. I know, same. Same. I wish it was open every day. Wish we could trade every day. Alright. Thank you, everybody. That was great trading. It should have been better. But that's okay. Thank you. Thank you to Trading Pennies. And thank you to Seima. You guys are awesome. Alright, take care, everybody. Have a great weekend. Thanks for respecting the huge break that I took yesterday. And I hope to see you Monday. Try not to get discouraged. It can also be really tough to see someone else do well on a day when you did bad. Even I do that, Should never compare up or down. Trading is a solo battle. It's you against you, not you against anyone else. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Have a great weekend. You're awesome. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.